Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction involving zeros. The principles here are the same as we have seen in the previous video. We just need to make a slight change regarding where trading begins. The following examples will illustrate. Now we have to be very careful here. Now let's have a look how we do it. Example 1. 702 take away 357. Now straight away we can see that 2 take away 7 we can't do. So normally we do some trading from this column here, but there are no 10s to trade because that's a 0. Okay, you can see that straight away because that's a 0. So here I have we need 1 10 from the 10s column. There are none available. So we take 100 from the hundreds column, leaving 6 hundreds. So it's okay to start trading over this side. So here we are. We take from here, you see that 100, that there is a 1 and it came from that column there. So that's a 100, okay? That means we've got 600 left here. So far so good. That's all we've done. We've gone from there to there. We've taken one of the hundreds. That 7 changes to a 6. That's all we've done. Now we have 10 10s in the 10s column. Here it is here. 10 10s in the 10s column. Remember, before we had none. Now we've got 10, so we can do something. We can take 1 10 and place it in the 1s column. See here when we had 2 take away 7, which we can't do. Now that we have 10 10s in the 10s column here, we can take one of them. So we've taken one of them, we've put it there. That 10 10s now becomes a 9, and we're set to go with our subtraction. So now that's, see here, this leaves 9 10s in the 10s column. There they are there, 9 10s. We now have 12 1s in the 1s column. There it is there, 12 1s. We still have 6 hundreds in the hundreds column, so that hasn't gone anywhere. There's still 6 of them. Let's go now with a subtraction. 12 take away 7 is 5, 9 take away 5 is 4, and 6 take away 3 is 3. Now this is a very, very crucial bit of work here, and you are able to pause the video or start from the beginning as often as you want, because you really need to understand what's going on. Let's look at example 2. See if we can further strengthen our understanding. Example 2, 904 take away 368. We need 1 10 from the 10s column. There are none available. See, because that's a 0. So there are no 10s available. So we take 100 from the hundreds column, leaving 8 hundreds. Look what we've done. There's the 100. Which is the same as 10 10s, so that's a 100 from the hundreds column, but we've still got 8 hundreds left. That's all we've done so far. Now we have 10 10s in the 10s column. There they are. We can take 1 10 and place it in the 1s column. This leaves 9 10s in the 10s column. We now have 14 1s in the 1s column. So we've gone from there to there. Remember we had 10 10s. We take one of those 10s and put it there. That gives us 14 1s. We still have 9 10s here. So away we go with the subtraction. 14 take away 8 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3. 8 take away 3 is 5. 536. Now I've got one more example for you. Let's have a look how that works. Example 3, 507 minus 279. We need 1 10 from the 10s column. There are none available. The reason we need it is because 7 take away 9 we can't do. There are no 10s available here, so we can't do it. So we take 100 from the hundreds column, leaving 4 hundreds. That's what we've done here. We had 500s here. If we took one away, that takes it down to 4. Here's the 100 here. Now we've got 10 10s. See, we had none before, but now we've got 10 of them. Now we have 10 tens in the tens column. We can take one 10 and place it in the ones column. So you take one of those tens here, that leaves 9, place it in the ones column. See? This leaves 9 tens in the tens column, so there are still 9 of them. We now have 17 ones in the ones column, and we're ready to go again. 17 take away 9 is 8. 9 take away 7 is 2. 4 take away 2 is 2, and the answer is 228. This is a very, very important video when you're doing subtraction with trading, when you have zeros in those special positions, and you are able to start the video as often as you want. You can pause it whenever you want to really get a great understanding of what's happening here.